Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have several journals to share with you. They're all sea themed and they're all traveler's notebook size. So I wanted to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel. I'm just amazed at the outpouring of goodwill and wonderful comments people have made about my work. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's get started. I have three. I'm going to start with this one. I call this one Coral because the batik fabric on the outside has a coral theme to it. She's tied with sari silk. I used a 4-hole pamphlet stitch, and this is a die cut that I sprayed with some of the Lindy's Stamp Gang sprays. There's a little shell here, some cheesecloth. This was a bag. And on the inside, this has a lot of the sprays from Lindy's on it. There is 2 pockets in the front and the back. Here's your journaling card here. And on the back, lots of space to journal. And then there's another journaling card here and a little tag. And the interior papers that I've used on these journals are vintage maps, navigation maps from the 1960s. A lot of fun. There's a little die cut here. Another tag. This is a Graphics Fairy tag. A lot of the tags are from Graphics Fairy. Again, this is from the Graphics Fairy. Some washi tape. This is some bamboo paper. Little stamp. Got a tuck spot here, tuck spot on the other side. And I love this vintage photo. It's a copy of a vintage photo. There are 3 children at the beach, probably from the early 1900s, and I believe it was probably in England. Some tea-dyed paper, another little tuck spot, Graphics Fairy, stamp and some washi tape. Another little tuck spot with a little fish you can add somewhere if you would like. This is some vintage ledger paper. It folds out so you've got lots of journaling space. It's the book page from a book on birds and their nests. This is the Fulmer. Little tuck spot here, fold out, lots of journaling space again. Some batik fabric here, stamp. Again, the centerfold is the Graphics Fairy from the Ocean Blues, I believe. Another fold out page with some washi tape with mermaids. There's a little tuck spot here with a little bag that you could add something to. It's some tea-dyed paper, a stamp, the other side of the bird book page, other side of the fold out with lots of space. The backs of the Graphics Fairy pages, I've used TaylorMade Designs, her pages, her coffee dyed pages, and they're really wonderful. Another little Graphics Fairy with a couple little tickets in there. And this little flower. This is actual silk that was made in the 50s. My dad brought it back to my mom years ago to make a dress. It's a really pretty open weave pattern in some sari silk. More tea-dye paper. Another fold out, a little tuck spot, a little tag, another journaling card. There's a vintage postcard here that you can journal on. And then I made these little coin protector charms, I guess you could call them. This one actually has a piece of sea glass and some sand in it. I got the idea from Barb's artistic expressions. She had video the other day on using coin protectors. Good for lots of things. And this is a stamp of a jellyfish. And another journaling card and tag. And then the last pocket is a tag. This is from Artymaze, her mermaid kit. So that is coral. This one I called Ocean. I love the fabric. Again, it's a batik, and this is some cheesecloth, and she has two little charms on the outside, tied to the four-hole pamphlet stitch. Again, we have our journaling card and tag, and another tag with journaling space on it. And again, that wonderful stamp of the jellyfish. And then here's another little vintage picture of children at the beach. The graphics fairy, the banana paper. Let's add some sari silk and a little button. Another journaling card from Graphics Fairy. Tuck spot there, and another tuck spot here. Some more washi tape. Another little tuck spot with a couple little tags in there. And then another die cut of a little seahorse. Another tuck spot. This folds out. As I said, there's lots of journaling space. Another, this is the heron, and some mermaid washi tape. Another tuck spot up here. Your center fold. And I just added some trim to this page. This is tortilla paper. The other side of the book page. These are great little stamps. And I've forgotten where I got them. I'll add it to the link. But I love the way this paper looks. The tea-dyed. And the ledger paper. The other side with a little shell you could add somewhere in the journal. Another little tuck spot with a tag. Some more washi tape. Maybe one of the vintage postcards. And another journaling card with a heron on it. And a large tag, again from Artymaze. And then this is another one of those little charms. This has a shell and a little piece of, if you can see it, a little piece of seaweed, dried seaweed, and some sand and some glitter. So that is Ocean. And the last journal I call Shell. And again, because of the shell pattern on the batik fabric, I thought that was really beautiful. And there's a shell here, and then there are two shells that are tied on the ends of the signature. And she's got a journaling card and tag. And a large pocket tag here with journaling space on the back. There's a die cut. There's a tuck spot with a journaling tag you can write on. The Graphics Fairy. Another little tuck spot here with some washi tape. This bird is the cormorant. Lots of space to journal. Another journaling tag. This is avocado dyed paper. It's avocado dyed khadi paper. It's very thick and really nice. Some washi tape. Another little tuck spot here. Fold out. Another fold out. Another tuck spot. Graphics Fairy. This is a Graphics Fairy. I thought that was a beautiful centerfold. Another tuck spot with a other image from on shells from the Graphics Fairy. Another fold out. This is the batik fabric. Washi tape. Avocado dyed cotton paper again, a little tuck spot, and this little coin protector has a shell and a little bit of seaweed and the sand like the other one did. If you can see that. Probably better that way. This is the teal. There's a little pocket here with another tag, fold out. Decorated pages, another stamp. There's a little tag there. This folds out with a mermaid stamp on it. There's another little tuck spot. And in the back we have another picture, vintage picture. This little boy or girl looks like they're about to have a great time at the beach. And that's mounted on the avocado dyed paper. And here's another Artymaze image from that kit. So that's her. And we have 3. Again, this is Shell, and Ocean, and Coral. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.